Hello friends, my name is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting project for you, and this is very close to my heart. In these lockdown days, where you have very limited options of what to do at home with your kids, this particular art literally, broadens your horizon. I mean, there are so many things that you can do. So leaf art has been around for quite some time, and there are many ways that you can actually explore it. I mean, you can paint the leaves, you can cut them into smaller sections, or you can make animals out of them. I mean, sky is the limit. It is so easy, and I mean, it hardly takes any prep work. All you need to do is find some leaves. Any size would do, any color would do. And though it seems like a very simple project, but it actually has a lot of depth to it. I mean, when, say for example, when you go to get some leaves for your kids, you can obviously educate them about the kinds of trees, plants, how does the different season affect the color, the shape, or even the freshness of the leaves. For this particular video, we just made a sketch, a small one, and my main idea was just to have a dress on this little girl, and the dress was supposed to be made out of leaves. This was very simple. I mean, my kids really enjoy doing craft work, so they came up with a lot of more ideas, and I was really amazed. I mean, kids pick up so many things that we don't really imagine sometimes. So while my craft, I would say, is okay, I really enjoyed what they made out. So here are the pictures. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and please leave your comments below for more similar videos or any other idea that you have that you would want us to make a video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye.